All right, so I decided to give my bathroom sink an upgrade with this Hibbent sink stopper. This is great if you want to stop hair from getting clogged inside of your drains. It has a great mechanism here for that to happen. The water still flows freely, but I'll show you here. It does stop hair dead in its tracks, and it's easy to take off as well, clean, and then put it back on, and then you just twist it in place like that. It has these rubber stoppers as well at the base and at the top portion here. So I'll show you how to replace it very easily. I'll just take off the previously placed one here. You can see it has hair, but this hair, I know, pretty disgusting. I'll stop showing it. That hair does tend to still go through all the way down into the pipes and get stuck there. And I have to use some plumbing cleaner to remove that hair and dissolve it. This does a great job of preventing that. So you just place it in place. You see that? It's open currently, but you can close it, open it, and I'll show you what happens when it stays open. Obviously, water just flows, but if you want to fill up the sink, you can go ahead and push the button, the center button down. And just like that, the water's filling up. And you see that? The water's filling up. If you want to release it, just press that button again. And there it goes. Water's gone bye-bye. So it's a great stopper there for your bathroom sink.